Turkleton. Today we will be teaching you how to make a text box and change the text that is inside of it. First thing we have to do is click on the A at the top of the screen. This will allow you to create the text box. If you want to, if you click the arrow next to it, it gives you some quick options of different text that you can use. Let's choose Times New Roman, and to make your text box, you click and you drag to make your text box as big as you want to. Let's make some text in there. Alright, now we have some text in there. We want to change it. So the way we do that is first we have to highlight it. Alright, now that it's highlighted, let's change the font. Times New Roman is too plain. Let's find something a little more fun. Out of all the different text here, let's try that one. Ooh, that one's fun. Alright, now we have the text in a different font, but that's not the right size. So what we do is we highlight it again and click the arrow next to the text box. This gives you many different sizes. You can choose from really big at 72 or really small, size 8. Let's choose somewhere in the middle. Alright.
Alright, now let's suppose we want to bold our text because regular text is bland. To bold the text, have it highlighted and click on the B in this toolbar. Now the text is bold. But bold is still too bland for us. So highlight it again, now let's italicize it. That looks a little better, but we want to emphasize this a lot. So let's underline it. Highlight it again and click on the U in the toolbar. Now our text is fancy. Now suppose we don't like black, the color black, because it's too bland for us. So let's change the color. Highlight the text and click on the black square that's in the toolbar. It gives you many color choices. Let's go with bright green, because that's bright. Now the text is bright green. Let's say we don't like bright green either. Let's change it again and go with red. Everybody likes red. Alright, now say you don't want your text to be in the left of this text box. To center the text, you click on the center alignment button spot on the toolbar. This is just like any word processor. Click on that, now your text is centered. To right align it, it's just like the word processor again. Click on the right align. Now our text is to the right of the text box. Now let's say we want our text to be sideways. People do it. I don't know why. So let's highlight the text, make sure you get it all. Highlight, and don't let go. Get it all. Now it's all text. And on the A with the arrows pointing down, we click that. And now our text is running sideways. That's hard to read. So let's undo that. But if you wanted to, you could do it again. Now let's say we want to add bullets underneath this. First, you have to start a new line, so you can go to the keyboard and click there. Now, click on the bullets. And you can type some more. To make another bullet, click enter and type some more. To make another bullet, click enter, type some more stuff. Now, click enter, and let's add some equations. Say we're doing a math class. So we want to write x squared minus 2x equals 0. How do we make that 2 on the x squared go on top so it's a power? Well, to do that, we must highlight this 2. And on the far right of the text toolbox, there's the superscript button. Click that, and now we have x squared minus 2x equals 0. But that's underlined, so we don't like that. So let's un-underline it. And now it looks like a good function. Now let's say we're in a science class and we want to talk about water, the molecule. So let's add another bullet, so hit enter at the end. And we want H2O. And And everybody knows that H2O, the 2 is lower than the H and the O. So to do that, we highlight the 2, and we're going to click the subscript button, which is the X with the 2 below it. And now we have H2O, or water. And that is how we use the text box to do a lot of things in the teaching world.